I am a graduate from the 1983 class. The program was brand new. It started in 1979, so I'm the third year that graduated. I still remember it was very difficult and challenging. However, when I look back at the years, I realize that it has to be that difficult in order to mold you into a dental professional. I have to give a great deal of credit to my professors that helped mold me into becoming a dental professional. However, on a personal level, you have to have the drive and determination to succeed and become a professional. There's a lot of challenges along the way, and just do your best every day, even if it's not the best of the class. Just get here, do your best, and eventually it's all going to work out that you'll feel more comfortable with the practice. Technology has changed in dentistry. There's always new methods of performing dentistry, new theories out there, digital charts, digital imaging, understanding a computer system. And one thing I will say about LCC, we are on top of the most current technology out there. There are 3 boards you have to pass before you can be licensed to practice in Pennsylvania. There's 2, they call them written boards, they're computerized boards, and 1 clinical board. And our success rate is around 98% first time passing all of these exams. I know how our program is viewed by our community dentists. It is greatly admired. And once we say the student is a graduate from our college, right away they're interested. So for me to be a part of that, that's a great honor.